Hi everyone, it's me again. I'm going to do an unboxing. This one, he's been dying for us to open it. It's Will Wallace, The Wheel Me. I'm going to put a link up for you. He's on Twitter, Instagram and YouTube, and he's absolutely lovely. He does his own videos, and his sister helps blend with his eyeshadow and stuff. You've got to check him out. I think you'll enjoy. But he sent us this, and it's all the way from Idaho. So, well, this package isn't, but he lives in Idaho. So I thought he lived in the UK. So this is exciting. I can't wait to see what it is. Oh wow, this is massive. What is it? Oh wow. This is so special. It's not makeup. It's a ring fill light. This is brilliant. Oh, this is great. Will, thank you so much. So I'll be able, I think there's a little stand in here. I'm going to open it up. This is what I need as well. This is so going to be helpful. Whatever, you know, it's really strange. The last couple of videos I've just been saying that I need better lighting, and I need to, there's a little stand here. That's a really good quality stand. It's so heavy. Wow, not forgot. Right, so it plugs in. I'm going to have to be near a plug, which is fine. I've got a plug behind us. This is just brilliant. Oh, Will, this is so helpful. Thank you. Really so helpful. What's this? It's a little remote. Oh, it's a little remote. And this is so good. So I think we'll put the phone on there. You're gonna have to help us here. Come on. The Ring supplement lamp is suitable for selfie and live video streaming, etc. So I can do some live streaming with you and have a little thing. I think it's you put your phone in there. Should that fit my phone? It might do actually. You can adjust it. You put your phone in there, so I'll be able to film with my phone, have my face lit up so you can see what I'm doing. This is going to be so great for when I do a live tutorial, so you can show. I'll just let you pick what makeup I'm using. Then this is just ideal. So that gets screwed into there. Wow. Oh, and tighten it up. That's what. There we go. This is brilliant. This is so thoughtful. Really thoughtful, Will. Thank you. You're an absolute star. And you've got, I can attach this to, have I got a tripod? Yes, I have. It's right underneath us. Duh. So I'll attach it to there, and I can put it on the desk. Oh, I'll have to secure that, and then, oh, and tighten that up. Just tighten it up. Yeah, tighten it up. Oh, this is brilliant. Thank you. Oh, wow. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to get ready and do this. I'm going to have to do a live tutorial now and try this out. Is that why you bought it? Because you want a live tutorial? You want to tell me to put funny colours on my face, don't you? Well, you know what? If you do, that's cool. Will, thank you. Really thank you for this. This is just such a great present. I love it. Really thoughtful. I can't wait to try it out. I'm going to give it a go when I get home from work. I've got a dash now. I've got to run to work. And I'm going to wear this makeup look. Hopefully it's not too, I'm not in the light yet. I can't see what's on my face. It feels a little bit cakey and I'm not used to it, but I had to cover the redness. So yeah. Oh, this is, I can't wait to play with that when I get home. Right, I'll see you on the bit. Thank you. Zoom. I've just been clearing up, and I'm so glad I went diving in the box a bit more. It's a little gift. It's a little gift note, and it's from Hia Wallace. Hi Lauren, here's a little something to help light up your videos so you can film whenever it works for your schedule. Will. Isn't that lovely? Wow, bless him. Thank you so much. Right, I have to go now, but I wanted to come back on and show you that I'd seen that, because that's awful. If I hadn't seen it, I'd feel awful. So luckily I scoured the bottom of the boxes. So thank you very much. I shall see you all in a bit. Zoom zoom.